If you're looking for help fixing your Kucht dishwasher, look no further. Our comprehensive Kucht dishwasher repair guide will explain common issues, provide tips, and maybe show you how to repair your appliance. For the home, kitchen and beyond, Kucht manufactures appliances that homeowners have come to trust. Even a trustworthy appliance requires occasional maintenance or repair. However, if you're in need of Kucht appliance repair from experienced professionals, your local appliance helper can help. Dishwasher does not run. Be sure the power is on, the door is latched, and the control is engaged. If absolutely nothing happens, in other words, nothing on the control panel lights up and there are no other signs of life, the appliance may not be receiving power. Look where the dishwasher's cord plugs into a receptacle, usually under the sink. Check to see if that outlet is a GFCI receptacle with a reset button. If the receptacle has a reset button, push the reset. In the condition where the receptacle doesn't have a reset, or where the dishwasher's cord is hardwired directly into the electrical box, look for another receptacle nearby that has a reset and try resetting it. This is a long shot, but it's easy to do and may solve the problem if the dishwasher is on the same circuit. To test a receptacle for power, just plug a working handheld appliance into it. Dishwasher does not fill. Make sure the water supply is turned on. Check the hot water supply stop valve, normally located under the sink. Open it all the way by turning it counterclockwise. If you can't think of any reason this would have been turned off since the last time the dishwasher worked, go on to the next step. Turn off the power to the dishwasher. When the dishwasher is cool, in other words, not right after a wash cycle. Look for the float inside the dishwasher. The float is usually a small plastic dome or cylinder mounted inside at the tub's base, near the front. When you move most types of floats up and down, you can hear them click because their spring-loaded action trips a lever. Lift out the float mechanism and clean around the float tube. Many floats require disconnection from below. To do this, you'll have to remove the lower access panel. Rinse off the float, replace it in the tube, and make sure it moves up and down freely. Dishwasher keeps filling. Unplug the dishwasher. Reach into the cabinet and lift up the dome-shaped plastic float switch. If it doesn't lift up, remove the plastic top from the stem. Scrub the stem clean, and then replace the dome. Note which wires are attached to the float switch's terminals, and, using small pieces of tape, label them for future reference should you need to replace the switch. Set the volt-ohm meter's dial to RX100 and touch the two probes to the terminals. When you lift up the float, the tester's needle should show an infinity reading, and, when you let the float drop, the needle should show a 0 reading. If it doesn't, replace the switch. Unscrew it from the tub. Take it to your local hardware store or home improvement center. Buy an identical replacement part, and then install it. Dishwasher does not drain. Remove the cover from the air gap at the top of the sink, usually a short chrome-domed cylinder that sits at the back of the sink. And, using a stiff wire, clean it out. Also check the entire length of the drain hose for kinks or blockages, especially at the drain connection to the disposer or drain line. Once the dishwasher is cool, shut off the power to it. And, if your dishwasher is made to allow this, remove the strainer shown below, located under the bottom spray arm at the base of the cabinet. Unscrew the hubcap. Lift the spray arm off, and remove any clips that hold the strainer to get it out. Scrub it clean with a brush and then replace it. If the dishwasher still doesn't drain properly, the drain hose may be clogged or the drain valve may need replacement. You can check the drain hose for obstructions, but this usually involves pulling the dishwasher out from under your counter to access the hose, disconnecting the hose at both ends, and flushing it out with a faucet or garden hose, or replacing it with a new hose.